If you're tired of dragging around a cord just to clean up sawdust, drywall mess, or vehicle interiors, it's time to upgrade to a cordless shop vacuum. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 cordless shop vacuums of 2025 that deliver real power and portability for workshops, garages, and job sites. First on our list is the CRAFTSMAN Cordless Vac. This is an outstanding all-around performer, offering strong suction power in a compact, lightweight form. It has a 2-gallon capacity and a high-efficiency HEPA-rated filter that traps fine dust and allergens, making it a solid option for everything from woodshop debris to cleaning your car. The long, flexible 94-inch hose is one of the best in class, allowing you to reach awkward corners without having to constantly reposition the unit. With a 4 amp-hour battery, you can expect a runtime of over 30 minutes, which is more than enough for quick cleanups and light wet vacuuming. CRAFTSMAN also made smart choices with tool and hose storage built into the unit, making it easy to transport and store. Next is the MILWAUKEE M18 Cordless Vacuum, a favorite among professionals for its toolbox-style design and rugged construction. It comes with a 2-gallon tank and delivers up to 45 CFM of suction power, making it excellent for pulling fine dust and small debris out of tight spaces. What makes this vacuum stand out is the thoughtful internal storage for the hose, nozzles, and accessories, so you're never hunting for attachment. It's compatible with MILWAUKEE's M18 battery platform, and with a 9Ah battery, it can run up to 30 minutes straight. While it's not the quietest vacuum on the market, it's one of the most durable and reliable, especially for job sites or mobile work vans where space saving matters. In third place, we have the KOBALT Cordless Shop Vac, a great value for money pick. This 3-gallon wet-dry vac offers serious suction and has impressed users with its ability to pick up both dry debris and water quickly. The build quality is rugged, the hose is self-retracting, and the vacuum includes HEPA-level filtration to deal with fine dust. It's powered by KOBALT's 24-volt max battery system, and while it may not have the longest runtime on the list, it delivers consistent performance and solid build quality. The larger tank size makes it well-suited for medium-duty cleanup tasks in workshops or garages, and the included accessories help you tackle crevices, upholstery, and general floor mess without needing to swap tools. Fourth on our list is the RYOBI Cordless Vacuum, known for its compact footprint and respectable suction strength. This 3-gallon vac is a great companion for homeowners and DIYers who already use RYOBI's 18-volt battery ecosystem. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and features a retractable hose that stays out of the way when not in use. Despite its small size, the P3240 performs well with sawdust, dry dirt, and even small wet spills. You'll get around 20 minutes of runtime using a 4 amp-hour battery, which makes it ideal for short tasks. Its external storage system makes accessory management easy, and its design is optimized for portability over raw power, which many users love for basic, everyday cleanup. Finally, there's the DEWALT vacuum, a favorite for its long runtime and dependable performance. This 2-gallon vacuum can run off either a 20-volt max battery or a standard AC power cord, offering flexibility that the others lack. Its HEPA filter traps 99.97% of dust particles, making it a good option for those working in environments where fine particulate control is essential. With a 5 amp-hour battery, you can get up to 40 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for extended cleaning jobs. The 5-foot hose is crush-resistant and flexible, and the vacuum comes with both wide and crevice nozzles. The dual power capability makes this model unique. You can go cordless in the field or plug it in at the shop,